Welcome to the world of Wix affiliate marketing. Whether you are a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting, we're here to help you make money. Access to our powerful tools and resources allows you to drive traffic and maximize conversions. Plus, you will benefit from competitive commission rates and a wide range of promotional materials. Get ready to take your affiliate marketing business to the next level. Start earning today with Wix affiliate marketing. Hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more updates. 5 ways to earn money through Wix affiliate marketing. 1. Join the Wix affiliate program. Joining the program will put you on the path to earning money with Wix. As a partner, you will be given an affiliate link that can be used to promote Wix products and services. You will be paid a commission when a visitor clicks on your link and makes a purchase. We make sure you have all the tools and support to begin earning money with Wix. 2. Track your progress. With an intuitive dashboard, you will easily track your earnings, monitor commission payments, and view detailed reports. Knowing your performance is key to ensuring you hit your targets. Wix Affiliates makes it easy for you to stay informed and take advantage of all the opportunities. 3. Set goals and increase your earnings. Leverage all of the Wix marketing materials to increase brand awareness and attract more site visitors. You can also set goals for how much money you wish to earn each month. With Wix's affiliate program, you can monitor your progress and continually adjust your strategy to reach higher goals. All the tools you need for success are at your fingertips, so start now. With Wix, earning money through affiliate marketing is easier than ever. So why wait? Get started today. 4. Promote Wix products and services. Promote the Wix website builder, premium plans, domains, and other services through your affiliate link. You will earn a commission for every sale that you refer to Wix. It's easy to join. You can start earning right away. With great materials, support, and great commission rates, Wix's affiliate program is a great way to jumpstart your income stream. Start promoting Wix today and make money as you help others just like you get their website up and running. 5. Get paid faster. With monthly payments, you won't have to wait long for your earnings. You will even receive a bonus when your earnings exceed a certain amount. Start your affiliate journey today and start earning money with Wix affiliate program. Now that you know how to get started with Wix affiliate marketing, it's time to join the program and start earning money. Sign up today and start promoting the Wix platform to increase your profits. Share your experience and feedback after trying out this incredible platform. With Wix, you can take advantage of their easy-to-use system and start earning commissions from the comfort of your own home. Don't wait any longer. Subscribe now and join the growing number of people making money with Wix affiliate marketing. Start your journey towards financial freedom now.